Hey guys, this is a review of last time's word list. We're going to go over this one, then we're going to do a review of the last 4 lists that we did. Kind of mix them up a little bit, it'll be random. So you want to go back and study everything before we do that. Real quick, while I'm talking, number your papers 1 through 15. There we go. Your first word, and oh, by the way, when we do these, I do want you to use pencil so that you can make a mistake, erase it, write it back in. Also, I want you to try write the word ahead of when I give you the word. There's not a whole lot I can do to actually test you on these when we're not face-to-face in a building. So I want you to try test yourself a little bit so that you can not just get the job done, but learn these words by the time we get back. Because we're not going to be repeating a whole lot when we get back. We're going to keep moving forward, so I want you to know these. So try to write them down ahead of when I write them down and make whatever corrections you need to make. Number 1, sand. Sand. We walked in the sand on the beach. Sand. And sand. Number 2, change sand into send. Send. Please send this letter for me. End. Send. Change send into bend. Bend. We're just changing that beginning letter, aren't we? End. Bend. Change bend into band. Band. I hear a different vowel. And. Now that could be like a marching band, but it could also be a rubber band. They're spelled the same. Number 5, strand. Strand. It's got a 3-letter blend at the beginning. Stir and. Stir and. Strand. Turn strand into stand. Stand. And. Turn stand into bland. When something doesn't have much flavor, it is bland. Bull and bland. Turn bland into blend. Blend. Blend the ingredients together. Bull and blend. Also work on writing those lowercase b's and d's instead of the uppercase, because the more you can do that, the more your brain will remember automatically and you won't have to think about it in the future. Blend into bend. Number 9 is bend. Bend the straw in the middle. Bend. B, e, and bend. Number 10, bent. Bent. I bent down to pick up the penny. Bent. Bent. Number 11. Turn bent into tent. I'm excited to go camping in a tent next summer. Tent. Turn tent into tint. Tint the paint gray for the picture. Tint. Just a vowel change on this one. I instead of eh. Tint. Turn tint into sent. I sent the letter in the mail. Sent. Number 14, turn sent into spent. We spent the money at the mall. Spent. Beginning blend on this one and ending blend on this one. Spent. Last one, change that into spend. 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 You'll notice a lot of these, if you listen for them, have and as a chunk of the word or end as a chunk of the word. Almost all of them had that. And the ones that didn't had just a slightly different ENT ending with that NT blend. Okay, look through them. We will do a review soon.